Okay, thank you. Welcome. Before coming to this question here, turudi kidogo hapa tupate idea. How do we open bracket? Tunatoaje bracket? Tunafunguaje mabano? Very simple. I told you kwamba each number inside the bracket has to be multiplied by 2. So to open bracket here is going to be 2 times P plus 2 times Q. Here we get 2P plus 2Q. Hii ndio jibu letu, tume open bracket. Hasa hapa inavyoonekana kwamba kuna bracket mbili, huyu na huyu. So step number 1, I advise you to open the bracket. You start 2 times A plus 2 times B plus 3 times A plus 3 times B. What next after that? Here 2A plus 2B plus 3A plus 3B. Okay, sasa hapa tunarudi ile tutorial ya kwanza, tulisoma video ya kwanza, unaanza collect like terms. Very easy. 2A na huyu mwenzake 3A, unawa combine. 2A plus 3A, you get 5A. What next? 2B plus 3B. Hapa tunapata 5B. Wote ni positive, kwa jibu inakuwa ni addition. Kwa ni 5A plus 5B. This is how we do. So now after that, I advise you join our class now, but make sure you understood, and we'll continue more. God bless you. Bye for now.